Black consciousness, to me, is not simply about race. It begins there because history demands it. But ultimately, it's about becoming conscious again. Conscious of ourselves, conscious of our language, conscious of our culture, conscious of the patterns that shape human life. When we recover that consciousness, we stop treating proverbs as decorations. We begin treating them as questions. Questions that every generation must answer again. So before you dismiss the wisdom of your grandparents, ask yourself one question. What did they see that I no longer notice? Perhaps the future of Africa is not only hidden in new technology. Perhaps part of it has been waiting for us in the words we have spoken all along. Re a leboga. A lebogwe Ramasedi. We give thanks to the Most High. Danke san.